Look here, they sell. I ran into a Friday market, I guess what it is. They sell used clothes. They sell everything, of course. You know they're gonna have to be selling everything. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring Betty up here maybe today, and she can look. But man, they're really going through that, aren't they? It's a lot. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, guys. Anyway, so they sell everything this morning. They have a market. They got planters and foods. They got corn soup. Is it corn soup? Got corn. They got shrimp. They got. Hello. How are you? This is your little stand, huh? And you sell drinks and everything down here. I haven't been here on this market day. What, did they do this every Friday? Every Friday? You don't know what I'm saying? No. Do they do the uki in the market every Friday? Just on Friday? Or Saturday? Sunday? When do you come out and sell? You don't know? Okay, thank you. Good morning. Good morning, sir. And they got the dry fish.
Where you go? Another country?
Yeah, USA.
Where your country?
USA.
USA.
Yeah.
Los Angeles.
Do I?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. No, Georgia.
California.
Atlanta.
USA.
Atlanta. Me. Anyway, they got all the dried
How long
fish.
do you stay in Philippines?
I'm gonna stay here forever. You got to put up with me forever. I'm married to a Filipina.
I'm go to almost 6 years.
Really?
Yeah.
So you know English pretty good.
6 months hot, 6 months cold.
So on this market,
Yeah.
how?
This same the market.
Yeah. What do they do it just Fridays only?
Country.
Friday?
Here.
Yeah, right here on this.
This Tiange.
How many times a week? Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
You know, I am this that. Cover.
Only Friday? Okay, so Fridays come here. Yeah.
Every Friday.
Okay. That's what I was trying to get
Every
at.
day.
Not every day, just Friday.
Every Friday.
Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna go vlogging. Oh, here.
What's your name?
Do you do YouTube?
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
So look me up and subscribe and watch my videos.
Yeah.
And you'll be on it, see? You'll be on the vlog.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
And you.
My friend, what's your name? My name is
BT. CSS.
Yeah.
BT. And Betty is my wife.
This is my wife, this is my daughter.
Oh yeah. That's good. Betty's my wife. BT and Betty. Betty's my wife. Betty Gutierrez. Elizabeth Gutierrez. She's my wife.
How many years you are? I am
1 year.
51 years old.
I'm only 1 year here. But I used to be here in the Marine Corps back in the 80s.
Yes.
1988 in Subic. I was in the Marine Corps.
How about you? How many your daughter?
How many daughters?
Daughter.
How many kids?
Yeah. Me, I am daughter 8.
I have 3.
Only 3?
Only 3.
Yeah. About my daughter, 6 girl and 2 boy.
Oh, I see the pokey boy down there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.
So, yeah, they sell everything. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Morning.
What you cooking? Oh, that looks good. It is good, huh? Is that butter? Is you putting cheese? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna walk. I'll come back. They got onions. White onion. White onion. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Right.
And they got clothes to sell. just lay it out and they hang it up in the tarps and stuff. And they got fruits. Good morning, how are you? Hey, you watch YouTube? You watch YouTube? That's me and my wife's channel on YouTube. Yeah, if you get a chance. Hi, baby. And they got all kind of more clothes and clothes. And goes on, guys. I forgot about it. I remember seeing it one time when I was down here on a Friday. And I can't remember. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Hello, hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? Look, it goes way back, way back in there. And blankets and clothes, everything, foods. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. So we'll vlog them. Oh, I'm about behind the wire here. I don't want to be there. I just want to pass by all this, but it's pretty cool. You know, they get out here and they sell their wares just like at the regular market, except for you know, they got a lot more. Hello, good morning. Good morning, guys. Hello. And see, they sell bananas and everything on the carts, and they got scales. They're already set up for it, right?
We have a vlogger.
Yeah, a vlogger.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And they got the purple ones. Hi. And the plants, they sell the plants. Sure do. And it goes on for a pretty good ways down in San Jose. Good morning. Goes pretty good, goes pretty good. They keep on saying it. Good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Oh, you're selling food, right? She's got fish balls and...
Quack.
Yeah?
Quack.
You know English?
Fish ball. Yes.
Okay.
Yung ebon pugo.
Okay.
Itlog na pugo.
So I've got to come back through here, so I'm gonna go to my brother's and come back. Thank you. See that pretty flowers? Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. They got all kind of food down here. How are you? Good morning. I'm doing vlogging. Yeah, I live in Santa Lucia, but I come down for this market on Friday. So it's Friday, only on Fridays, right?
Where do you live, sir?
Good morning. How are you?
Where you came from?
From United States.
Hi, vlogger na pala.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yeah. BTN.
Yeah, you guys watch YouTube.
Philippines.
Go subscribe.
Ay, mag-vlog oh. Ay,
Yeah, here you go.
Vlogger.
Yeah.
BT.
Yeah, BT.
BT and Betty's.
Philippines Adventures. So
YouTube.
yeah, on YouTube. So if you see it, watch a video and subscribe. It helps me out. It just gives me more people. So I'm trying to make it grow. It's a little channel right now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Good day, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Eggs. They got eggs. Hello. How are you? You watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Let me give you you can look at my channel.
Where from, sir?
Huh?
Where are you from?
From the United States.
United States. But here in Philippines.
I'm living in Santa Lucia. You know Caliapoga?
Yeah, here. How much? How old are you, sir? How old are you, sir?
How old am I? 58.
58. Okay.
You look it's very young.
You do too. You look 21.
No.
Huh?
I'm 20 only.
Only 20? Sorry.
No. 35.
I figured you was because you
32.
No. I know better.
So very handsome.
I know better. You juicing me up. You guys have a great day. I got to go see my brother.
Good day, sir.
Okay. Look, they got parking down here. So you can park your car and go look at everything. These guys, hello. How are you? Good morning. How are you? So these guys watch the cars and stuff. And that covers it. I think I'm at the end of the little market there, which was a big market, you know. Look at that, baby.